Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So we are going to continue our educational videos, and today we are going to learn about the decimal number system. So without further ado, let's begin. So the decimal number system is what we use in our day-to-day lives. So it contains 10 digits, 0 to 9, that makes up all the numbers that we use to do maths. And so we are going to move directly into octal and decimal conversion, since we already did binary and decimal conversion in our previous video. So we want to learn how to convert binary to decimal or decimal into binary. Please go and watch our previous video, which is about the binary number system, so you can understand how to convert decimal into binary and binary decimal. So let's move into octal and binary conversion. So before moving on to binary and octal conversion, I need to learn what is the octal number system in the first place. So octal numbers is just like the decimal number system, however it has only 8 digits, unlike decimal which has 10 digits. So this only has 0 to 7 are the digits used in the octal number system, while in decimal it's used up to 0 to 9. So when it comes to octal number system, the base we use in an octal number is 8. So if we say 17, we put the base 8, and unlike in decimal we are used the base of 10. So let's move on to some example for converting octal into decimal. So let's take a look at this example, which says convert 671 into decimal. So 671 is an octal number because the maximum digit that the octal number system can use is 7. So any maximum number will be something like 77 or 777. So we are going to write down 671 separately. 671, and then we are going to write them in powers of 8. This will be 8 to the power 0. This will be 8 to the power 1, this will be 8 to the power 2. So 8 to the power 0 is of course 1. So any number multiplied by the power 0 is 1. And 8 to the power 1 is 8. And 8 to the power 2 is 64. So now we are going to multiply these numbers with the numbers of the sum. So it's 1 times 1 is of course 1. And then 7 times 8 is 56, and 6 times 64 is 384. So now we are going to add all of these numbers, and this will give the octal equivalent of 671. So 384 plus 56 is 440, plus 1 is 441. So 441 to the base 10, this is the decimal equivalent of 671 to the base 8. So that's how we find the octal decimal equivalent of an octal number. So now we are going to learn the opposite, how to convert a decimal number into an octal number. So let's move on to our next example in order to understand this question. So now when we look at this example, it says convert 580 into its octal equivalent. So this is easier than converting octal into decimal, because you don't need to actually use powers of 8. All you need to do is divide the number continuously by 8. Okay, so we are going to divide 580 by 8. 8 times, there is no equal of 0, 58, 7, 56, 2 remains 20, and 20, 8 times 2 is 16, and 4 remains, and that 4 goes over here. Then we divide 72 by 8, 8 times 9 is 72, and there is no remainder. So we are going to take these like this, comes as 904 to the base 8. So this is the octal equivalent of the decimal number 580. So that's basically it about decimal and octal conversion. So I hope you learned something from this video, and also be sure to like and subscribe so you can be notified about more videos that we release like this in the future. So now you will be able to convert decimal into octal and octal into decimal very easily. And even when converting decimal into binary, all you need to do is go and watch our previous video about the binary number system. So thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.